Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your employer 401k matching on ADP, full guide step by step clearly. To update your employer 401k matching on ADP, start by logging into your ADP account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ADP login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Myself tab on the main dashboard. Hover over the Myself tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Pay from the options listed in the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Retirement Savings section. Click on 401k Plan to view your current settings. In the 401k Plan section, look for the Update Contribution button. Click on the Update Contribution button to proceed. Review the current employer matching percentage displayed on the screen. If you need to make changes, find the Matching Contributions section. Enter the new matching percentage as specified by your employer. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. After confirming the new percentage, click on the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your request has been submitted. You may receive an email confirmation shortly after. Keep a record of the confirmation for your personal files. Return to the main dashboard to verify that the changes have been updated. If you have any issues during this process, consider reaching out to your HR representative for assistance. Stay informed about any future changes to ensure your contributions align with your employer's policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.